In the depths of the ocean, where visibility is virtually non-existent, submarines have long grappled with the challenge of situational awareness. For over a century, these silent predators have relied on passive sonar and electronic signals to detect and track their targets. But visual confirmation has remained elusive until now. Enter the era of underwater drones, heralding a new dawn for submarine warfare. Submarines, lurking beneath the waves, have traditionally relied on stealth and surprise to launch devastating attacks on unsuspecting adversaries. Yet, their ability to visually identify targets has been severely limited by their submerged position. Periscopes offer only a restricted view, leaving much to the imagination. But with the advent of drone technology, submarines now have eyes in the sky, transforming them into underwater aircraft carriers. The Naval Undersea Warfare Center has introduced a groundbreaking innovation, the Submarine-Launched Unmanned Aerial System, affectionately known as the AeroVironment Blackwing. This compact drone, no larger than a torpedo, is deployed via the submarine signal ejector, emerging from its launch canister to soar into the open air. Controlled by the submarine's crew, the Blackwing provides real-time aerial reconnaissance, transmitting electro-optical signals and infrared imagery back to the submerged vessel. Measuring a mere 3 inches in diameter and weighing just 4 pounds, the Blackwing may seem diminutive, but its capabilities are nothing short of revolutionary. Equipped with a push propeller for propulsion, this agile drone boasts a beyond line-of-sight capability, allowing it to operate over the horizon from its launching sub. With a range of at least 12-13 miles, it provides unprecedented coverage and flexibility in surveillance operations. However, the evolution of submarine drones does not end here. As technology advances, so too do the possibilities. Imagine future submarines equipped with larger ejector tubes, capable of deploying drones armed with high-explosive payloads. These unmanned aerial vehicles could engage smaller ships or even intercept enemy drones, expanding the submarine's offensive capabilities. Yet, with innovation comes risk. Launching drones exposes submarines to detection, potentially compromising their stealthy presence. Nevertheless, the allure of enhanced capabilities may outweigh the inherent dangers. As the Navy navigates this new frontier, the future of submarine warfare hangs in the balance, poised on the brink of unprecedented transformation. The Blackwing may be just the beginning, a tentative step towards a future where submarines rule the skies as well as the seas.